Anyways, here we go. Let's head outside in the rain. Today's day 3 of rain, I want to say. Well, the leaves are pretty. Be careful on the steps. They might be slippery. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's chilly. It's in the 40s, but feels like it's in the 30s. I'm thankful for seat warmers. I'm trying to vlog today. Daisy, what are you doing in the back seat instead of the far back? What are you doing? Yeah, she's fine until she falls off the seat. She's safest in the far back. She don't know that unless she has her seatbelt on. And I know she doesn't have her seatbelt on because I didn't put it on her. I just got in here. Okay. Oh, I'm not a good cold weather person, honestly. Let's do some camera adjustments. Daisy, you need to sit down.
It's 43 and
So she just goes behind me so I can't see her. She's like, okay, I'll sit down. You're not sitting down. Sit. Good girl. That's way safer, hon. You need your seatbelt. You're not in trouble. You're a good girl. So this is what I brought to vlog with on this rainy, chilly October day. I brought one of our... Gee, the orange makes my nails look red, but my nails are orange. And the balloon's orange. And I've also brought... Where's the tropical gum? Oh no! Where did I put the tropical gum? Oh, bubblegum. I put it in a compartment? Or is it still sitting upstairs and I didn't bring it down? Y'all don't want to see everything in this bag. What's this? Oh, these were napkins for the morning of the wedding. The Mr. and Mrs. napkins. Rainbow masks. Sunglasses, won't be needing those today. Wallet, other glasses, my dental receipt. Oh yeah, that was fun. Phew. Oh, come on. Seriously? No tropical bubblegum today? Well, what do I have for bubblegum? I don't know. Little pumpkin. Bouncy pumpkin. You can turn on the wiper lights a little bit. They don't have to be on high, but... Yeah. I do not know where my tropical bubblegum went. Oh, shoot. What's a jack-o'-lantern song? The 5 little pumpkins rolled right. Ooh, went the wind. Out went the light. The 5 little pumpkins rolled right out of sight. Well, I wanted to make a bubblegum and balloon vlog. So, the wind took their candy. Okay, see what I have for gum. Be right back.
How about a
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.